And hello, boys and girls, and welcome aboard. This is Guy Bullfrog 79, and today we got 10 more prepper do-it-yourself pocket money makers. Okay, a lot of us we work or used to work or still are working, and we got to make a little bit of pocket money, side money to help out with expenses. Okay, reading my script. And hello to everybody who signed up. Let's give a big hand for Canada. I'm getting a lot of Canadians. And also a big hand to the UK and Germany, Slovakia, or Slovenia. I think it's Slovenia. Okay. Anyway, 10 more prepper do-it-yourself pocket money makers. Okay. These are the top next being make extra money. If you have a Ziploc bag, a quart size, you put in flint pieces or shards. Now on that one, you want to um, put in musket size, not big, weighs like a pound or so, but enough that you have like 4 or 5 good pieces of flint that you can make either musket flints, rifle flints, pistol flints, whatever. Okay, and that's in a Ziploc bag. That's good for about 20 bucks. Next is a trench slider. I have one that I made and I put it away. Basically, it's a piece of little pipe with cotton cord, 100% cotton cord inside of it. It's like a big wick. And you put on top a little bit of lighter fluid. You got your flint and steel, your spark rod, magnifying glass, anything like that. It catches the end of the pipe. It holds the little bit of cotton in it. Okay, I can't breathe through this. That's normal. Okay, the trench lighter. It's like a little tube made of copper or brass, and at the end, it has a little bit of a fluff, like a Bic lighter, like a wick. And the wick's about 3 feet long, so you never run out of cotton wick. You buy the pipe over at the hardware store, you buy the cord at the hardware store, make sure the cord is 100% cotton. If you use like anything with a blend in it, it's going to be ugly. Okay, that's trench lighter. You usually get nice 20 bucks on that. Okay, pine pitch. You know that tree sap that leaks from the trees? Well, you pick a bunch of it and put it in a bag, and you sell that for 15 to 20 bucks. It's better if you could put it in a double boiler and make little bars like soap, and then you put it in the bag and you sell more that way. Ferro rod striker with paracord lanyard. Basically, sometimes you get these really crummy strikers in your paracord kit, in your uh, ferro rod kit, and you want something with a little bit more bite and heft. Well, you sell those pieces of scrap metal. I used to make them from broken hacksaw blades. That worked really good, and I get about 5 or 6 bucks from that. Metal spearhead. I don't know why people don't do this. Make a 7-inch long spearhead and attach that to a pole or something. It's a lot better than taking your extra knife and duct taping it to a piece of wood. All right, you wrap it at the bottom with paracord, and when you need a spear or spearhead, it's already made, double edge. All you have to do is unwrap the paracord handle, strap it to a pole, tie it up, and what do you have? You have a spear. Okay, remember, metal uh, head, probably get iron plates of some kind, scrap, and then cut your spearhead. Now, I figure at 7-inch, that's a great length for a spearhead, and with a piece of paracord to tie it down, it's great. That's all you need. And I could sell that about 15 to 20 bucks. A lot of unicorn peppers out there. Okay, if you're good in leather work, a lot of preppers and survivalists I know throughout the years complain about the cold steel little fighting shovel. I used to throw those. If you were at the last one down south in California, I was goofing around throwing shovels at targets. So it's the cold steel hand shovel. Let me get a little sip of coffee. Uncle Alan's been taking meds. Good coffee. Okay. If you're good in leatherwork, like I said, they're looking. It's looking for a nice sheath for the cold steel hand shovel. All right. You should do the German pattern with two straps on it, and I think you get, if you do the leather right and the setup right, I think you get about $35 per unit. So think about it. If you're good in leather work, you want to make it Russell Brown color. And that's a sheath, leather sheath with a cold steel hand shovel. All right? Or an entrenching tool. Another thing about the cold steel entrenching tool or hand shovel is the handle. Okay? They copied more of the Russian. I would like it a little bit longer, about maybe a third of the length more, and probably a ball end, have a big like ball end at the back. Nothing to affect the throwing, but you ever try digging with one of those things in adobe or hard sand? It's horrible. Great for fighting, digging soil. Okay, but if you make a ball end handle for this, it'll be great. You sell those for about $30 a pop. If you got a lathe, just go lathe away. It's a handle. You don't. What the hell are they going to do? They don't really own the rights for shovel handles unless you do something special to it, like maybe catch it on fire or something. But I doubt it. So remember, uh, ball and handle for the cold steel hand shovel. Another good money maker. If you have a lot of hickory, great. Urban Trench Club. Basically, it's not like a baseball bat. People use too many baseball bats, and they're not that great. But it's an urban trench club. Basically, it was like a little shillelagh, little walking, hold underneath your arm kind of walking stick. Now you see people carrying old putters around, so if something comes up, they use it as a cane or beat off something. Well, the idea is similar. You have a big wooden head, ball shape with a little bit of a curve. Um, in Africa, they call them knob carry. Knob carry. You hit people, big, like a little wooden mace, and you hit people with it. Or in Ireland, a shillelagh. You want these about arm's length, maybe a little shorter. They're really popular. They're like a billy club or a trench club, a little shorter than a rat stick. Okay? Something to get a good whack. So think about it. That's good. Another $30, 20 to $30 if you do it right. Put a little bit of varnish and stuff. It'll be fine. Okay. Another thing I noticed: if you got a hardware store around, look around for axes. Write down what kind of axe. Measure the blade length, and then you make leather sheets for single bit axes. Now, a lot of stores, they don't carry leather sheaths for axes anymore. They just have the axe or hand axe or whatever, and then whoever is buying it has a sharp naked blade around. Perfect example to make money. And that runs anywhere from $10 to $35 depending on how sharp, big, and sharp the blade is. So think about it. And for the last one, because I want for the last one, I like to keep it under 10 minutes because I don't know what YouTube's doing, but anyway, this is a gag gift. It's for those unicorn preppers. We know who we're talking about. Those wonderful guys with all the money and running around playing Rambo and waving black guns and scaring half the public. God, run nuts. Okay, for these unicorn preppers, I have instant water. Basically, you take a couple of tablespoons of sugar, add a couple of drops of vanilla, put it in a little plastic bag, and voila, you have instant water. Where's the little plastic bag? Put in a little plastic bag, some instant water. That's basically 2 tablespoons of sugar, a couple of drops of vanilla, and you tell the person you have instant water for $25. You can make a whole bottle of water with instant water. Okay, instant water. It's a joke. It's not real. It's for those unicorn preppers. So you tell them to taste a little bit of the instant water. They taste it. Basically, they're tasting sugar and vanilla. Instant water. Just add water. 1 quart will make you another quart. Chill in the icebox and presto. Next day you have a whole bottle of instant water. Now, doesn't that sound great? Doesn't it sound wonderful? Just gotta know how to hit a person's triggers. Well, anyway, boys and girls, I want to keep this short. I hope that helps you out making a little bit of cash. Please don't sell any unicorn preppers instant water. It's a gag gift, and Uncle Al knows how to do it too. Really good, and also it's really funny. So please don't do this gag gift joke on them. All right? You have a nice day, and keep smiling, and watch these videos. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a pleasant day.